The automated system ensures precise nutrient delivery, maximizing the health of the herd.
The hydration levels are lower than expected for this age group.
Agreed. Let's flag this one for further assessment after the scan.
The mechanical gates minimize stress on the herd, while the high-pressure mist provides a crucial first-stage cleaning.
Looks like we're steady at 12.5. Adjusting the feed rate now.
The fully automated rollerblade system precisely removes fine tissue residue, leaving the hides smooth and uniform.
Laser scanners pass over hides to ensure consistent thickness. Each hide's heat map appears on overhead screens.
The introduction of the cyan pigment is creating a perfect vortex.
And the resulting shade of green is highly consistent. We need to increase the rotation speed slightly based on the absorption rate.
Okay, I'm updating the parameters now.
Utilizing advanced laser guidance, these machines meticulously carve the intricate shapes required for our premium leather goods.